Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to make pasta not sticky. First, always start with plenty of water. Using a large pot gives your pasta room to move, preventing it from clumping together. A good rule of thumb is to use at least 4 to 6 quarts of water for every 1 pound of pasta. Make sure your water is at a vigorous, rolling boil before you add any pasta. Once your water is boiling, add your pasta. It's crucial to stir the pasta immediately after adding it to the pot. This initial stir helps separate the individual strands, stopping them from sticking together right from the start. Keep stirring for the first 1 to 2 minutes of cooking to ensure they don't clump up. Next, cook your pasta to an al dente texture. This means it should be firm to the bite, not mushy. Overcooking pasta is a common culprit for stickiness, as it releases more starch into the water. Always follow the cooking times on your pasta package and taste a piece to ensure it's perfectly al dente. Finally, drain your pasta properly. Use a colander and drain it quickly. A common mistake is rinsing pasta with cold water, which removes the starches that help your sauce cling to it. Instead, immediately transfer the hot, drained pasta to your sauce and toss it together. This ensures a delicious, non-sticky result.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.